So what do we need here anyway?
Just a couple parts for the daily, gotta keep the miles low on this thing. Grab the toolbox from the back.
Got it.
This is the junkyard. It's my go-to spot for car parts.
Where do we start?
We are looking for a replacement steering wheel and a shift knob. Hand me a 8mm.
Here you go. 1 8mm.
That's a Phillips head screwdriver.
Sorry. Listen, I'm thinking about buying a car, something with more speed.
Well, what kind of cars do you like?
I don't know, maybe something like yours?
Well, I didn't buy it. My dad passed it down to me before he passed. Wanna take a look around at some cars?
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish up here.
What about this one?
Honestly, your truck is probably faster than this thing. I gotta look for a couple more parts. You can go look around if you wanna.
Okay. Hey, cool.
Okay, Alex, I'm ready to go. Where you at?
Hold on, I see something. Whoa, Jamie, come back here.
I thought it would be junk. It's a GTO.
What about this? I love it. Should I buy it? I'm gonna go ask the owner.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir?
I didn't steal anything.
Actually, I was curious about that GTO out back. How much would you sell it for?
Oh. That's my new project. I love the thing, but I'd let it go for about 10 grand. It needs a lot of parts though.
I don't have 10 grand. Could you go any lower?
Best I could do is 9,800.
I'll be back soon. I worked overtime for weeks. I couldn't stop think about that car. And I learned more about cars on the way. New turbos installed. After the tune we should be pushing around 28 pounds of boost. I'll show you in Lisa's car.
For the love of God, if you throw a rod again, I'm gonna drain your coolant.
Rod? Rod make car go.
Duke GNX makes about 300 horsepower.
That's Joshua. He's currently number 10 on the list. What's the list?
The list consists of 11 racers. They are ranked by whoever wins the most races out of everyone.
We don't really race, we just watch.
It's not safe to race against some of these guys, especially Dark Web.
What does he drive?
They're starting.
Excuse me, sir. I have the money.
Awesome. I figured you'd be back, so I moved it out for you. Yep. All here. Gotta get it out of here by today though.
Thank you so much.
Keep me updated on the car, man.
I will. Thanks for the help, guys.
Hey man, you did all the work, we just brought the truck.
This thing's gonna be a lot of work. But boy, when it's done, it's gonna be the baddest thing on the strip. first things first. We're gonna need a motor. I was thinking we take an LS1 out of a newer GTO and drop it in here.
Would it even fit?
We'll make it fit. Your job for tonight will be to find us a motor. Look anywhere. Okay, I can do that.
I would also pick up more hours. This build's gonna be expensive.